on this question, we are given a whole bunch of numbers. In fact, it's 57 numbers. See the N up here? That telling us N always means how many numbers. There's 57 numbers in this chart. Here's like a bar graph of those numbers. And they want us to find the 40th percentile. Now, what is that and how does that mean? That means find a number 40% of the way through this data list. That's what a percentile means. Percentile, like to find the 40th percentile means find the number that is 40% of the way through the data, right? Percentile is a ranking system from 0% to 100%. So if you're at the 40th percentile, you're about right here. You're not quite halfway, just a little bit before halfway. So what number, the lowest number on this list is 38. Yeah, and the highest number is 74.9. So what number is about 40% of the way through the data set? That's what we're trying to figure out. How do we do it? Well, come back to the notes. So here are the exam 1 notes. And what do they say? They say data must be in order from lowest to highest. It is. Take the decimal times n. So in other words, for the 40%, you change it to 0.40 and multiply by n the total number of values, like that. So let's do that first off. So I'm going to take the 40 percentile. So I'll take 0.40. So it's the decimal version times n. Times n. And what is n? 57. All right. Hit the buttons on your calculator. I'm grabbing my calculator right now. And I'm getting 22.8. Okay, so let's go back and look. So they got, in their example, 12. It says, if it's a whole number, like 12, then find the value and da-da-da-da-da. But we didn't get a whole number. This is a decimal. Decimal. Not a whole number. It's not a whole number. So I didn't get like 12, nice number. I got a decimal. Well, that's down here. If you get a decimal, so part A is if you get a whole number. Part B is if you get a decimal, like 12.4, what do? You round it up. Round up that number. So 12.4 becomes 13. Notice that rounding up in these notes really means up. It doesn't mean round to the nearest, because normally we only go up for 0.5 or above, right? Because it's closer to the next one up. 12.4 even goes up. So in math and science, when we say round up, that's different than round to the closest. Round up means up. Even if it was just 12.1, it would go up to 13. Is that making sense? Round up means up, not closest. So go up and then find the value in that spot. Find the 13th value in the data set. So I go, so come back here and I go round up, because it's a decimal, round up to 23, right? Because 22.8 rounds up to 23. Even if that was 22.1, I would still round up to 23. Makes sense? It's up. It's not round to closest. So 23, so that means find the 23rd. So it's step 1 kind of, and step 2, find the 23rd value in the list. Find the 23rd value in the list. Meaning this is the first value, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th. See, it goes 10 per. So 21, 22, here it is. The 23rd value is 53.4. That's the 23rd value in the list. And that's the 40th percentile, meaning that number is about 40% of the way through the list. It looks like it, doesn't it? It looks like it's just a little bit shy of halfway, just a little bit less than 50%. It's the 40th percentile. That data value is 40% of the way through the list. And there we go.